Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Pro Build. In today's video we'll be seeing how to make this part in PTC Creo parametric 7.0, and this looks so good. We have all the 2D specifications here, two section views, and according to my observation I need to start up with this A section view, so that 3/4 of the part will be completed and rest of all will be something like minor operations. So let me start with my new window. So I've directly gone to my window, so I need to select front view for my convenience. Go to revolve. Now switch off the plane and switch this 3D display, align it with vertical line, draw a line, just make it symmetric. You can find the symbol, this is a symmetric symbol. Make this as 40 diameter, since this is 41, sorry, this is 41, and its offset distance from horizontal line is 20. Sorry, it is not 20, this complete is 20, and it is having a thickness of 2 mm, so I shall put this as 18. Now I need to draw a line vertically, then go for offset, click loop, select any one line. Since it is facing downward direction, just give -2. Now go for an R line and draw a slant line, then make this 50. Go for basic dimensions, touch this slant line, this reference, and click here for angle. So just make 360 minus 30 is going to be 330, so which means that it is having 30° here. So I'm going to put here the dimension from here to here will be 20. Now draw a line intermediate and delete this segment. That's it. So I've completed, I guess. Yes, it's all over. Now make this dimension strong and this 2 thickness strong. Okay, my part is ready. Now I need to draw this cylinder with a key slot inside. So for that I'm given with details here. This is actually 12 diameter, and you can find here, no, right, inner circle is of 8 and key slot dimension is 2, and from here it is 9. So I need to select this surface, go for extrude, switch on the plane, go for references, draw, just make this as reference, draw a circle of diameter 12 and 8. Now draw a line, go for center line for making this slot a symmetric one, and make this symmetric. From here it is 2, from here it is 9. Go for delete segment, delete this, so it's all ready. So go up to selected surfaces, select this surface, so it comes up to that height, and I've completed even this. Then go for this. I'm having fillet, I mean in and around round is radius 2, so go for round, click this edge, specify 2, enter. Now my final thing is I need to draw this semicircle shape and extrude it right down beneath. Its data is actually missing, so I'm going to assume it. So select the surface, go to extrude, make this horizontal plane reference, okay, and go to hidden line. You see where the thickness actually lies. Okay, this is my thickness area, so I'm going to take reference this circle, so going to draw an arc starting from here to here. Okay, this is that circle. Let me make this to 1.5. Okay, this looks cool. Or else 1.75. Okay, now project this line, go for delete segment, delete all this line. Now I'm going to extrude it right down, so go for up to selected, select the surface, remove material. Now change the view, its thickness is very less, so I'm going just beneath. I'm going to change this height, so make it 22.5 or even less, 22.75. okay, this looks cool. Okay, now switch on the axis display, go for an pattern. So just before going pattern, it will be by default it will be in disable position. Select this part, go down, axis pattern, select this axis and put here 15 count, select this angle. So okay, this is not enough actually, so I'm going for 25. Okay, I shall put here 30. This looks cool. Now go to view, appearances, change the color. So this is the part. No, it's all ready. So please do subscribe my channel for future videos related to SolidWorks, Creo and AutoCAD. and thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.